Picture this. It's a crisp autumn day, and there's a sudden unexpected traffic jam up ahead. The sky is a deep cobalt blue scattered with fluffy clouds, and the vibrant hues of oranges, yellows, and reds are painting the trees. You can hear the rustle of the leaves dancing in the wind beneath the hum of your car's engine. You're snug in your seat, the radio playing your favorite tunes, warming yourself with the quiet comfort the heater provides. As you round a bend, your heart suddenly lurches. Looming ahead, the road is a sea of stationary vehicles. The jam is like an unplanned puzzle, cars snaking in a haphazard line leading far beyond your sight. A symphony of horns blares around you, and the tension in the air is palpable. An ordinary day has suddenly been transformed into a high-stakes situation. What's the one thing you rely on in this situation? That's right, the unsung hero of your vehicle, your car's brake system. It's this vital system, often overlooked until a crisis, that rises to the occasion. This is no mere assembly of parts and mechanisms. This is your safety net in a world of unpredictability. A properly functioning brake system can be the difference between a close call and a catastrophe, between a near miss and a disaster. Today we're setting the stage to explore this marvel of engineering. We'll delve into its myriad components, each intricate piece playing a pivotal role. From the brake pedal, your first contact point, to the hydraulic system, the heart that pumps life into your brakes. We'll explore the brake pads and discs, the tireless workers bearing the brunt of the heat and friction. We'll also look at the importance of brake fluid, the lifeblood of the system, and the role it plays in maintaining your brake's performance. Maintaining your car's brakes isn't just about safety, it's also about extending the life of your car and ensuring a smooth, comfortable ride. With the right knowledge, you can keep them in top shape, ensuring they're ready whenever you need them. Today, we're going to delve into the inner workings of this important system, exploring its components and how to keep them in top shape. In the heart of your car's braking system lies the master cylinder, an ingenious device that plays an indispensable role in keeping you safe on the road. This master cylinder is not a simple component. Instead, it is a reservoir, a place for storage, filled with a critical substance known as brake fluid. This fluid, often unnoticed by many, holds the power to control the enormous power of a moving vehicle. The brake fluid within the master cylinder is not stagnant. It is not there simply to occupy space. It exists to be put into motion. When pressure, even the most minute amount, is applied to the brake pedal, this fluid is woken up. It's as though a silent command is released, a call to action that the brake fluid cannot ignore. It responds instantly, being forced out of its resting place and beginning a journey that will determine the safety of the vehicle's occupants. The journey this fluid undertakes isn't a simple one. It's a voyage through a series of tubes and hoses. Picture a vast network of pathways, each one designed and crafted with precision. These tubes and hoses are like the arteries of the braking system. Their job is to transport the lifeblood of the vehicle, the brake fluid, to where it is needed most. Every inch of this network, every twist and turn, has been meticulously designed for a single purpose: to transport the brake fluid securely and rapidly to the brake assemblies at each wheel. The brake assemblies, like the organs of the vehicle, receive the brake fluid and utilize it to perform their critical function. This complex process is what makes up a hydraulic system, a contrivance that is as sophisticated as it is effective. This system is a triumph of engineering, a blending of science and art that allows us to control the tremendous force of a moving vehicle. The hydraulic system is the embodiment of the old saying that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Each component, from the master cylinder to the brake assemblies, plays a vital role. But together, they create something truly extraordinary. They allow a subtle press of your foot, a minor action that seems insignificant, to bring a 2-ton vehicle, a vehicle moving with the power and momentum of 100 horses, to a complete and safe halt. This is the magic of your car's braking system, the magic that keeps you safe every time you get behind the wheel. It is a testament to the brilliance of human ingenuity and our ability to harness the laws of physics to our advantage. This is known as a hydraulic system, and it's what allows a light press of your foot to bring a 2-ton vehicle to a halt. When issues crop up due to air entering into the system, it can cause quite a problem. Air has a unique property that sets it apart from brake fluid. It's compressible. This characteristic of air brings about a specific kind of behavior in the brake system, leading to a noticeable change in the brake pedal's performance. This change marks a drop in the effectiveness of the brake system, compromising the safety and control of the vehicle. One of the most common symptoms that indicate the presence of air in the system is a brake pedal that provides little to no resistance. It's an alarming situation when you push the pedal, expecting it to stop or slow down the car, only to feel it sink to the floor with minimal resistance. This is not just a signal that something is wrong, but also a serious safety concern that can lead to accidents if not rectified promptly. Another symptom tied to the presence of air in the system is an overall decrease in the vehicle's stopping power. Stopping power is the capability of your car to stop quickly when the brakes are applied. Decreased stopping power is a dangerous sign that the brakes are not working as efficiently as they should. It means that the vehicle takes longer to stop, increasing the risk of collision or accident. It's not just about the safety of the driver, but also about the safety of other road users. A decrease in the stopping power of a vehicle can be the source of potential accidents on the road. It's a danger not just to the person driving the vehicle, but also to pedestrians and other fellow motorists. This decreased efficiency in the braking system can lead to catastrophic consequences if not addressed in a timely manner. Air in the brake system is a problem that needs immediate attention. It's not just a simple mechanical issue, but a serious hindrance to the overall smooth operation of the vehicle. It's an issue that affects the vehicle's handling, control, and safety. When these symptoms emerge, it's crucial that they are not overlooked. Identifying these symptoms is the first step towards solving this problem. The solution to this issue is to bleed your brakes. Bleeding your brakes is a process that helps to purge trapped air from the brake system. It's a procedure that needs to be carried out carefully and correctly to ensure the overall safety and performance of the vehicle. It's a necessary maintenance task that ensures the efficiency of the brake system and the safety of the vehicle. So, if you have been noticing a spongy or weak brake pedal and reduced stopping power while driving, don't ignore these signs. It's time to bleed your brakes, a process that removes the trapped air. Topping up brake fluid is an uncomplicated task, but one that absolutely necessitates caution. You see, brake fluid is not your regular everyday substance. It's a harsh, unforgiving liquid. It has the unfortunate property of being capable of causing extensive damage to your vehicle's paintwork if not handled correctly. Additionally, it's notorious for being an irritant to human skin, making it even more essential to approach this task with the right amount of respect and care. To begin with, you'll need to acquire a clean, dry, and uncontaminated container, coupled with a similarly clean funnel. The importance of cleanliness in these items cannot be overstated. Contaminants can compromise the integrity of the brake fluid, leading to potential risks down the line. The last thing any motorist wants is to introduce any issues to the brake system, a critical component of vehicle safety. The next task is to locate the master cylinder. This critical component is usually found nestled on the driver's side of your vehicle's engine compartment. It is important to locate this correctly, as it's where your brake fluid will be going. Once you've identified the master cylinder, you'll need to carefully remove the cap that keeps it sealed. This is where you'll be adding the new brake fluid. When filling, be sure not to overdo it. The cap will typically have an indicated line to guide you on the optimal level of fluid required. Overfilling can cause issues, just like having too little fluid can. So, to sum up, while it may seem a simple task on the surface, the topping up of brake fluid is a task that requires careful attention to detail, cleanliness, and caution. It's a seemingly minor task that plays a major role in keeping your vehicle safe and functioning optimally. And remember, remove the cap and fill to the indicated line. Now on to bleeding the brakes. This requires two people, one to press the brake pedal and another to open the bleed valve on each brake assembly. Begin at the wheel furthest from the master cylinder and work your way forward, pressing the pedal and opening the valve until no more air bubbles appear in the fluid. Remember, safety first. Always use a proper container to catch the fluid and dispose of it responsibly. Understanding your car's brake system is not only empowering, it's essential for safe driving. Regular maintenance, including checking the brake fluid and ensuring there's no air in the system, can prevent a lot of headaches down the road. Intrigued? Good, because there's a lot more to learn. Next time we'll be diving into another crucial car system, the cooling system. From the radiator to the thermostat, we'll break down how your car keeps its cool under pressure. Until then, Keep those brakes in top shape and drive safe.